AI is moving incredibly fast. Let's get you caught up on what really matters today.
So there's this huge conflict in AI right now. Amazing innovation, but less and less transparency.
And it's not just a feeling. A new Stanford report actually calls out this growing paradox.
But here's the thing, that's not stopping the flood of new products from hitting the market. Take Base Autopilot. It's an AI agent that basically acts like a superhuman project manager.
Then you've got tools like Yolk, which uses AI to coach sales teams by analyzing their calls.
And for creators, blogo.so is out with a new version, making AI-powered blogging even easier.
So where's all this innovation coming from? Well, it's all being fueled by some serious research.
The labs are buzzing. They're working on everything from AI watermarking to AI for satellites.
And that satellite stuff? It's wild. It's about training AI across space without sharing raw data.
Okay, so how are the big companies actually using all this research and innovation?
Well, the scale is just huge. Think about this. 50,000 bank employees are getting ChatGPT.
And all the big names are making moves, weaving AI into things like real estate and customer support.
To handle this enterprise push, OpenAI just brought in a heavy hitter as their new revenue chief.
Okay, but with AI getting so big, the conversation is shifting to safety and governance. So you're seeing rivals like OpenAI and Anthropic team up to create new safety standards. Interesting, right?
And it's not just about the tech. People are asking how it's affecting society, especially kids. In fact, a new PEW study found that about 1 in 5 teens are already using AI chatbots.
Which, brings us right back where we started, that tension between progress and responsibility.
So the big question is, do we have to choose innovation or accountability? What's next?